GrabCAD Print Pro takes volume manufacturing to the next level, with features that deliver better parts faster when you're printing at scale. Put simply, GrabCAD Print Pro reduces preparation time, improves manufacturability, and increases speed and efficiency for your most demanding additive manufacturing challenges. And there's more. GrabCAD Print Pro also lets you integrate Stratasys printers into your company's software toolchain by connecting with industry-leading third-party MES, DRM, PLM, analytics, and simulation software, ensuring an end-to-end solution that best meets your needs. OpenAM software allows you to customize materials by adjusting print parameters, which affects the capabilities and characteristics of printed parts. These plugins are directly connected to the GrabCAD Print Pro software and offer complementary functionality. They allow users to optimize builds, budgets, and overall processes. It all adds up to quality and innovation from the leading name in digital transformation.